The airline catering process is an impressive and coordinated effort involving multiple teams working together to deliver millions of fresh, delicious meals to passengers every year. From suppliers to cleaning staff, catering teams, and cabin crew, every individual plays a crucial role in ensuring a seamless dining experience at 30,000 feet. It all begins with the suppliers. These dedicated partners source the freshest ingredients from around the globe, including farm-fresh vegetables, premium meats, dairy products, fruits, and specialty items to meet various dietary needs. They adhere to strict food safety regulations, guaranteeing that only the highest quality products reach the airline kitchens. Once the ingredients arrive, the cleaning staff steps in. These unsung heroes uphold rigorous hygiene standards, ensuring that every kitchen surface, tool, and piece of equipment is sterilized and ready for safe food preparation. In a bustling kitchen that handles thousands of meals daily, cleanliness is essential. The cleaning staff is meticulously trained to use high-grade sanitizers and follows strict protocols to prevent contamination, ensuring the food remains safe from preparation until it's served to passengers. Next, the catering staff takes charge. This team is the backbone of airline catering, diligently preparing, portioning, and packaging meals with great attention to detail. Each member is committed to following food safety and hygiene protocols, ensuring that every meal is crafted under the cleanest and safest conditions. Whether it's a gourmet dish for first class or a special dietary option, the catering staff treats each meal with care, ensuring it looks and tastes great. They label and package meals according to class and dietary preferences, ensuring accuracy in every delivery. Once meals are prepared and packaged, the logistics team ensures timely and safe delivery to the aircraft. Their careful handling of food during transportation is crucial. Refrigerated trucks maintain the ideal temperature to preserve freshness. Coordinating with flight schedules, the logistics staff ensures that meals reach the aircraft on time and in pristine condition, allowing passengers to enjoy high-quality meals, regardless of the flight duration. Finally, once on board, the cabin crew takes over. Their commitment goes beyond simply serving food. They ensure that each meal is heated and presented perfectly, considering the limited space and resources available. Flight attendants make sure all dietary requests are met, providing prompt service and enhancing the overall passenger experience. Together, from sourcing ingredients to maintaining hygiene, preparing meals, and serving passengers, every person involved plays a vital role in this extensive operation. Their collective dedication, expertise, and attention to detail enable airlines to serve millions of fresh, safe, and tasty meals each year.